Sienna makes sounds she can't control, and that's okay. Sienna is bright, musical, and full of laughter. She can make up a silly song in seconds and always finds something to smile about. Sometimes her body makes sounds or movements she doesn't plan, and that's okay. She loves making people laugh with her silly voices and funny faces. But sometimes her tics come out when she's not trying to be funny at all, and that's okay. Sienna's brain works quickly, like a roller coaster of thoughts and ideas. But her tics can interrupt her words, wiggle her hands, or make her say something again and again. She's learning how to explain her Tourette's to other kids. She says, "My brain sends extra signals to my body. It's not something I can control." Sometimes people stare or don't understand right away. Sienna loves being on stage and dancing with her whole heart. Her tics might show up during practice or even during the big show. Some days are easier. Some days are harder. Her tics change from week to week. Some sounds, some movements, some both. She never knows exactly when they'll come, and that's okay. Sienna is strong and brave. She goes to school, performs in class, and shares her voice, even when her tics are loud, and even when people look surprised. She keeps showing up. She has good friends who wait patiently, who don't interrupt, and who know that tics are just one small part of her story. Not everyone needs to fix her, just accept her. Sienna is creative, caring, and full of spark. Her Tourette's might be noisy, but so is her laughter, her music, and her joy. She's learning, growing, and shining every single day. Sienna makes sounds she can't control, and that's okay.